This is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware called TAL. The video will demonstrate to you how exactly this TAL ransomware affects the files. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack there are no problems opening any files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documents. However, because of certain existing leaks in the defense of the specific computer, this TAL ransomware may be injected into the device. So then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The files get damaged and encrypted by this TAL ransomware. Well, sorry, the more correct way is to call it TOE. So the ransomware reveals this ransom note on the computer screen. The ransom note is titled "Read it." Your Windows PC is infected with the TOE ransomware. Without the key, files can and won't be returned. This is the quotation from the ransomware note. In brief, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So don't pay the ransom, otherwise you may simply waste your money. Now, speaking about the extension that is appended to the files after encryption, the extension is always random. The extension is random for each specific encrypted files, so it cannot be mentioned definitely because it's always random. We recommend you to immediately delete this ransomware from your computer, and we suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode, only the quick scan option is available in the trial. Click on Start Scan. You can clearly see that the program first of all updates its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection of any malware or ransomware, so don't cancel this procedure. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Some threats can be found right away, some threats can be found a little bit later. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner, and then at the end of the scanning you will see the whole picture of the threats that were located on the system. You will be able to know their locations. Even though some threats can indeed be deleted manually, we recommend that you remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected.